This is a story of a young girl whose father left for work during a time when everyone was returning home. The pandemic had struck. She is worried because corona is contagious. Her father may get in contact with the virus. She complains to her mom.
Why is dad not with us? My friends' fathers are staying at home and taking care of their families. Call him home.
Beta, now it is not possible. Wait for some days until everything settles down.
No, will you call him or not? I will not eat anything until then.
Please listen to me.
Hi, baby. Welcome to the dream world.
Who is this?
Did you find me?
Huh.
I don't have a name like you to introduce myself. Better call me Birdie. Seeing you depressed, our Pakshi Raja sent me to make you happy.
Pakshi Raja?
Robo 2, Pakshi Raja.
Oh,
What is your concern?
I want to see my dad. I really miss him. He left us during these tough times. Is he safe there?
There are so many precautions being taken to safeguard them from corona. He is absolutely safe. Don't worry, I'll take you there. Actually, there are some rules to be followed to stay safe from corona. I know you hate reading. You got bored by that at school. So I'll explain them to you. Thermal scanning is compulsory at the plant entrance. This is to identify symptomatic people and quarantine them before they spread the virus. Come with me. I'll fly. You can come in the bus. Meanwhile, I'll take this opportunity to show you the precautions to be taken in the bus. Are you ready? Use sanitizer to sanitize post boarding. Wear your mask before boarding the bus. Maintain appropriate distance while boarding. To ensure social distancing, the bus does not accommodate people in its full capacity. Keep your mask on while in the bus. Look at this beautiful plant. Greenery everywhere.
Why do you love these people? Why do you care about me?
Actually, there are two strong reasons for that. Firstly, these people provided fencing for their boundary. They limited people's access here so that all are safe. But for us, there are no borders. We can go everywhere. Are you interested in going inside the office? Let's go! Manpower at plant has been kept minimal with most of the people working from home. Technology has helped in enabling smooth flow of work. Through platforms like Teams, meetings, files and instant communication has become easy. Departments have been decongested. Sanitization is an everyday phenomenon.
I'm so hungry now. Shall we have some food?
Sure, let's go to the canteen. As you must have heard, adversity is the mother of all invention. By making taps foot or elbow operated, a significant risk has been mitigated optimally. Self-serving is no more allowed. Seating arrangements have been modified to ensure social distancing is maintained at all times.
Did my dad have food here?
No, since your dad came from home recently, he is in quarantine. Oh, after seeing this, I am feeling sleepy. Want to see my sleeping spot? Close your eyes.
Wow!
Come, we'll go back today. In dream, everything is possible. Close your eyes and open again. Look at that sanitization vehicle. Did you know what is there behind?
How do you know all this?
I'll tell you later. First, see what it'll do. It sprays diluted hypo solution on the roads and surroundings to sanitize them. I didn't tell you my second reason, right? Here it is. They have not hampered our living place. They practice sustainability. Look around. Greenery everywhere, full of water. The doctor here is explaining the usage of masks and sanitizers. Regular awareness sessions are conducted on COVID prevention.
How do you know all this?
Did you notice I spent more time here? That handsome doctor, I like him. This is why I know all these precautions and I'm able to explain them to you. Your dad really loves you and misses you a lot. But to ensure energy security for the nation, he has to work here during the lockdown as well.
I feel happy that my father is in safe hands. I feel secure now. Love you, Dad.
Dedicated to all the people who are extending their duties and are staying away from their families, because K is nothing but its people.